FJ Cruiser, not great news. Yeah, the door doesn't match. I get it. So went to lock the door and it wouldn't lock. Reached my hand inside, pulled the panel off and tried to do the manual button, which is here. So what I've done is I've taken out these 3 Torx bolts, and then right here there's a 10 millimeter, which is right here, that loosens up and you can pull this out. Now before you do that, you do have to release this lever, which attaches to the door handle. Let me pull it for you. Okay, and it's got a little clip right here that pops down, and then that lever can pull off. So let me show you what I was hearing when I twisted the key. Real crunchy sound and nothing moving. So I have a feeling my gears are stripped inside this plastic box here. The part number, let's see what it says here. Let's see if we can read that. It says D87DR lock actuator L2 palm for the type of material, Mitsui. Okay, so we got some part number back here. This one's D87DR, it says the same exact thing, L1. So looks like I'm gonna need to get to the junkyard for some new parts. In the meantime, I gotta figure out how I can lock this. This mechanism goes like that. So I gotta figure out how I can get this to pop all the way over center to lock my door. Otherwise, all my tools and everything are at risk here.